Hey everybody, Joy here. A much happier Joy this morning than last night. Yesterday afternoon, it got to be 90, no, not 90, 89 degrees in this coach. 89. We had opened the door 10,000 times and we had the lights on and we had the windows open, the shades up, So today, we have everything blocked out. All of the shades are down. The door is shut. I won't even let Jerry come back in. Like, what do you need? I'll hand it through a crack. So, it's been something every day. The refrigerator still isn't getting cold enough. The radio suddenly doesn't work. We can't make the televisions come on because it can't connect to the internet. So I'm telling you, it is a whole new learning experience. I feel like I'm in a really hard school right now. And it gets so hot outside. Jerry's out there from early this morning getting the Jeep, all the different things you have to put this in this position and this in this position and that in that position and all of these things you have to do before you tow a Jeep. So he's doing that. And then we're waiting for the girl to come. Her name is Allie. And her boss is on vacation, of course, the man that's supposed to be in charge of us. And so she comes over every morning to check on us. I'm like, are you still here? Well, Jerry is now officially out of underwear. I'm not, because I always bring enough for 3 weeks. But he's out of underwear. We have hardly any food. We have bread. We have lots of bread. Hey, is that her? Cute. I was looking to see if I had heard from the Alley girl, but no, not her. So I don't know how to edit yet. I'm on my laptop doing this. I bought an app. Where is it? I bought an app. It's called InShot. If you can see it, it's right. Focus. It's right there. It's called InShot. And it is video editing software for my phone. But I haven't figured out how to use it very good yet. I'm on my 3rd cup of coffee, trying to keep it hot. My cup is ice cold. But the coffee inside is hot. Yes. So here's the thing. I haven't been able to do the devotional. Number 1, I forgot the book. Number 2, we've been, see, this is our coach wiggling. Isn't it wiggly? We're getting new suspension on it in, I don't know when, sometime. It's very, very expensive, but it makes the coach much, much sturdier and makes it easier to steer and drive. And I'm not steering or driving until it's in it. So we're going to do that sometime, hopefully before the quilt show in October. I'm going to the quilt show. You know, when I'm at my house, things don't wiggle when I lean up against them. Oh, yes, getting used. I don't know how people live in these full-time. I could not do that. Too many issues. And then, you have to drive an hour and a half to this place here in Lewisville, Texas to get anything fixed. And even then, it's still not fixed. So we shall see. So I just wanted to say good morning. I am here. I can't sew. Oh, you want to see my Afghan I'm making? Of course you do. This is it. This is how far I am. This is 3 skeins so far. I have 7 more skeins to make this with. 7 more. And that's where I ended, right there. And so I was really wishing I had this last night. Even if it's not very cold in a room, I like weight on me at night. I like a heavy blanket. It just makes me feel more secure. And I forgot to bring one this time. So this is the only blanket I have here. And isn't it pretty? This is Ravelry Red. Ravelry, I don't know if it's called red. I think it's called red. And it's rare as hen's teeth. My daughter and my granddaughter-in-law were able to get me some more of it. So I was really excited about that. So I've been doing that. I've been helping Jerry. I actually helped him drain the black tank and the gray tank yesterday. Yes, I did. I put my rubber gloves on and everything. And so we did that. And so this morning we dumped some borax and some Dawn in it. So when you drive, it like swishes around in there. And it causes it to clean out. And so then the next time you dump it, it supposedly gets clean. But it looked pretty clean to me as it was. But you know, we hardly ever stay in here. So, what are y'all doing? Are you getting ready for the nightgown challenge? I wore my nightgown every day since I made it. I put it in the dirty clothes this morning, and I thought, we were only supposed to stay here one night. We've already been here 2 nights. What do we have to stay here 3 nights? So I took that nightgown out of the dirty clothes and I put it back in the cupboard. Oh my goodness, am I ever tired of the nightgown? So what else is going on? We've got the Jeep attached. Oh, Jerry's coming. I have to go. I have to go. I don't know how to go, but I'm going to try. Am I back? I'm back. I'm back. Okay. We're going to have to stay again. I'm going to have to get some underwear out of the laundry bag and wash it. Hang it outside on the antenna. Hundreds of RVs in here. Hundreds. Ours is like the littlest one. But we're going to have to get some underwear for Bernhardt's. The brake thing that he put in the Jeep, somehow you attach something to the firewall. And when he finally got it all connected yesterday, so he just had me test it. That's why I had to leave. And I stepped on the brakes, and the thing just pulled right through the firewall. So he has to drill holes and add some supports and put it all back together. So we may be here for a month. Pardon my underwear. It gets hot here, you guys. I shouldn't even tell you this, but you know I tell you everything. I started peeling off the layers yesterday. It was so hot. It was 100 degrees outside. It was, what did I tell you, 89 in here. And so I was singing that song. What is that song? Margaritas make her clothes fall off? Is it margaritas or tequila? Tequila makes her clothes fall off. I was singing Tequila Makes Her Clothes Go Off. I was throwing my clothes, my jeans, my soaking wet t-shirt, then my bra, my shoes, my socks. All I had left on was my panties, sitting in this RV on a towel. So today I'm going sleeveless. Jerry and I, neither one brought shorts. So all we have to wear is jeans. So, oh my goodness. But, my goodness, it's nothing. I know it's nothing. I know it's nothing. Y'all are saying, you have that nice RV. How dare you complain? I know. I feel guilty enough without y'all telling me. And let me point something else out. Do you see my eyebrows? These are my natural, real eyebrows. See, I can pull on them. See? See how I've had complaints? You need to do something about your eyebrows. Here they are. I have no tails on them today. No eyebrow pencil. This is them. They are black. They are black. And when I dye my hair brown, this happens. I guess I should wear a hat all the time because my hair, the sun just makes it lighter and lighter and lighter. So I watch Christopher Hopkins all the time. And I haven't seen him say anything about eyebrows yet. But I'm not bleaching them. But the next time I dye my hair, I'm making it darker, so maybe the sun won't bleach it so fast. But I didn't look at it. It's ridiculous. Okay, my friends, I just wanted to say hi. I know, no devotions. Every day we think we're going home. I only brought vitamins for one day because we were only supposed to be here one day. And so we don't have our vitamins. I have my allergy meds. Definitely have my allergy meds. So anyway, I just wanted to say, this is why you haven't heard from me. And this is where I am. And this is what I do all day long is I just work on this. I told Jerry, I said, I feel like a vegetable. I have got to have a trailer big enough to put a sewing machine in. I said, I just cannot sit in one place all day long. I just cannot do it. I just cannot do it. I got up this morning and I walked back and forth here in the front part to that door over there. 9 steps. 9 steps that way, 9 steps back. 9 steps that way, 9 steps back. I thought, I'm really going to have to get a longer trailer. All right, I'm going to let you go. I miss you. I would love to be doing the nightgown, but I can't do the nightgown until I get home where I've got sewing machines because I have no machines here whatsoever. My only machine is a crochet hook. All right, I'm going to let you go for now because I'm not sure I can even edit this and get it up, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Bye for now.